The following is a presentation of Exam Wrapper 2, problem number 3 from Fall 2014's Physics 2212. And the basis of problem 3 is as follows. Two infinitely long parallel wires each carry current I in the positive x direction. Two more infinitely long parallel wires carry current perpendicular to the xy plane. One of these wires carries a current 2I in the positive z direction, while the other carries a current 3I in the negative z direction, as indicated by the below diagram. In part A, you determine the net magnetic field near location A or at location A. And so we know that by the Biot-Savart law that at or near location A, this force coming out in the positive z direction is the dominant, or field is the dominant field. And shown by the cross product where V is equal to ID on the positive x and B coming out in the positive z direction yields a cross product in the negative y direction. So the answer choice is D, negative y. Now part B, you've determined the net magnetic field in the xy plane. And it's important here to note that the magnetic field here going into the page with 3I is larger and more dominant than the field here coming out of the page with 2 amperes of current. This indicates that the dominant force acts in the negative z direction, of which leads us to the answer choice that E. None of these answers are correct. At point C, we are near the stronger field with going into the page with a current of 3 amperes. So it applies almost to situation number 1, where we have V cross B via the Biot-Savart law, and we find that it acts in the negative y direction, which is answer choice D. Now in part D, there's a little bit more steps involved than just using the right-hand rule or the Biot-Savart law. It's realizing that where the magnetic field is equal to 0 is where the two fields are balanced. So you have to set the sum of each field equal to 0. Noting that, you find that the answer choice yields D, a distance of 4s apart, to result in a net magnetic field equal to 0 through the manipulation of the above equation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps solve your physics problems. Enjoy.